Hey, what's up guys? It's me again. Today we are going to unbox this. Well, technically it didn't come in a box, so it's not going to be unboxing, but I'm going to open it up. Since it's an electronics section, so I thought it would be fun to open it. And we have, it's pretty small, it's 8 watt maximum lithium-ion battery connected to a hypertroph drill set. So let's go ahead and cut it open. Before that, we need to look at the box overviews. It's not a box, but it says LED included. I don't see the LED, so this is what they say the LED. And here we have what all is included, the specification. So it goes to 0 to 550 RPM. So let's go ahead and open it right away. I have the drill in hand, so it is pretty small compared to how my hand looks. So the light automatically goes on when it is powered on, which is not recommended since most of what household work we do is done in bright light. So I feel that we might need a really I feel that if the light had a switch, it would have been better, but this is really compact and good looking. So let's go ahead and pull the charger out of the box and the set of tools that was included. So there's pretty much nothing else inside. So we have the tool set that is included, and we have a user manual. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. I also got this drill set for this machine, and I will soon upload a review about this product, so subscribe to keep you posted. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next one.